Thank you for joining me in this video covering the Jobs tab. It is assumed that you have already watched the 7th video, Project Setup and Organization, and that you understand the importance of the various settings and troubleshooting tips. If not, please reference that video, as this video is meant to serve as a reminder for those who quickly need to set up their tablet but already have the background understanding of the information. Now let's cover the proper setup of jobs within the Icon software. Please turn on your tablet and allow the Icon software to load. It is not necessary to turn on your total station for this video. It is assumed that you have already created the project for your jobs to be in. If not, please reference video 8, Project tab, for further instructions. At the home screen, click Jobs, found under the Data tablet in the lower left corner of your screen. Click the green plus symbol. At the following new job creation screen, click in the box next to Name. Type in the name of the level you wish to create or control if this will be your control job. And then click the green check. Click the next green check as well. Continue creating as many jobs as you need by repeating the process to act as placeholders for the information you will be loading, or if you are finished, then you can begin importing your data to the job you just created. This concludes the video covering job creation. Please proceed to the following video covering the Windows File Explorer.